What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make barbecue pigtail. So if you want to know how to make barbecue pigtail, then stick and stay guys, because we're gonna get right into this video, okay? Alright guys, so here are my ingredients. I have my pigtail right here. It's just washed and clean. It's not cooked as yet. I have some water, some sweet and spicy pepper sauce by Grace, some Wakazu jerk seasoning, some strawberry jam, some barbecue sauce, brown sugar, and some ketchup. So before we start this guys, the first thing we need to do is boil off all the salt we can from our pigtail. There's gonna be a little bit of salt left, which is gonna give our barbecue pigtail that little salty barbecue, that little kick, you know. So let's get started guys. Alright guys, so here I have my pot with some plain water, nothing in it but just plain water. I've already started my flame and I'm just gonna add my pigtail to the pot and let it come to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to throw that water off and I'm going to refill the pot again and let it come to a boil. And we're gonna do this 4 times guys, 4 times. Alright guys, so the pigtail came to a boil. Now we're gonna change this water, refill it, and boil it up again 3 more times. Alright guys, so this is the second boiling off process about to start. We're gonna let this boil up, then throw it off again and do that 2 more times. So after I've completed these last 2 more boils guys that's left after this, I'll show you the finished boiled off product, okay? Alright guys, so while the pigtail is still cooking and stuff, let's work on our glaze. So to this pot right here, I'm gonna add all this ketchup. This is about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Alright, I'm going to add my strawberry jelly. I'm going to add 1. That's roughly like 2 tablespoons as well. Some Wakazu jerk. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Some of the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of this guys. This is 1. 2. Listen, this smells so good already. You know, so I'm gonna add some of this sweet and spicy Grace pepper. Hot to how much heat you can take guys. It's not very hot, but it has a spicy kick. So it's a Grace sweet and spicy. Now I'm going to add my water. You know, we have to rinse off the spoon. And we're gonna put this on the stove to like simmer down. Alright, so guys, we've added it to the stove. Try and mix up all of this sauce at the bottom. I've added it to the stove. My heat is on medium, so I'm just gonna mix this up, give it a taste test and see what it needs. I didn't add the sugar yet guys. I just realized I didn't add the sugar yet. I'm going to add in the sugar. So this is 1 tablespoon of sugar guys. I'm going to add that for now, then I'm going to see if it needs more. Alright, so let me mix out that sugar that I just added in. I'm going to give this a taste test. Let me get a spoon. Wow, banging guys, banging. I feel like this needs a little bit more, like a little gingery kick to it. The smokiness from the barbecue sauce is pretty good, and that strawberry jelly and the ketchup and everything we added in guys, it's giving it a nice buzz. I'm just gonna add a little bit of ginger powder, ground ginger, and this sauce just needs to simmer and just give our pigtail a bath. This beautiful sauce. Alright, so I'm gonna get the ground ginger. So here's the ground ginger guys. I'm just like Sprinkle some in it, man. Sprinkle some. Alright. Mix it out. So now we're just gonna let this sauce simmer, guys, and yeah, easy breezy. Don't watch my stove, something spill on it. I'll clean that up shortly. Alright guys, so this is what our sauce is looking like. Yes, we clean up the stove. So I'm gonna turn this off now, guys, because it will thicken up as it cools down. Even though we're not cooling this down, we're gonna add it to our pigtail. So I'm just turning my flame off and I'm gonna let it sit a bit. Then I'm gonna pour it on my pigtail and into the oven we go, my loves. Alright guys, so this is our pigtail. They're looking shiny because you know pigtail is oily. And yes, we boiled them off 4 times, and now it's time to add our sauce to them and add it to the oven. So you're just gonna pour the sauce over them. That's it. Just pour it all over. Alright. And we're gonna put this in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees, okay? So before we add them to the oven, guys, just like mix them up in the sauce, pour some of that sauce over it. Use a spoon, you could use a brush, use whatever you have, okay? So just pour some of that sauce over it as much as you can. Alright guys, so we're now in the oven. We're gonna come back every 15 minutes and baste them with the barbecue liquid in there. Alright, so we're gonna just baste them with the sauce every 15 minutes, okay? So see you in 15. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, this is how we're looking. We're just gonna, as I said before, we're just gonna keep basting them with the sauce. Alright. So they are absorbing the sauce, which is pretty good. We're gonna put it back in. Alright guys, so basting the pigtail again, you know the drill. We're basting them. So now that we've basted twice already, guys, which totaled to a 30 minutes cook time on these pigtail already since they've been in the oven. Alright, so we've done that. Now I'm going to just baste this again, put it back in the oven. I'm setting my oven to broil for the remaining 10 minutes, alright? And here you have it, guys. I did broil it for 15 minutes instead of 10, so I will make note of that in the description box. But yeah, here we are, loves. Our barbecue pigtail is ready. I'm going to serve this up with some white rice and salad, and listen, it's about to be a good day, okay? Listen guys, we've been cooking long enough and it's time to eat. I have my plate here with my white rice and my veggies, and I'm just gonna add some pigtail to this. All right, look at that goodness. And here you have it, guys. Our barbecue pigtail is ready. I do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you in my next upload. Bye.